Every ingredient, from the flour to the butter, is rigorously inspected upon arrival. We then take samples to
From the swirling flour to the final layer of ganache, this automated symphony produces
Make sure the manifests are signed before they roll out.
Got it. Stacking the last pallet now.
Truck 3 is secure. We're clear for departure.
Clear the bay doors. We have another shipment arriving in 5.
Copy that. Moving this load now.
Nestled in the golden hour, this facility operates 24 hours a day, ensuring fresh cakes reach our tables.